Proper gutter installation in Ocala, Florida does a lot more than keep a little rain off your porch. It quietly protects your roof, walls, and foundation every time a storm rolls through. When gutters start sagging, leaking, or clogging all the time, it's more than annoying. It's a sign that water isn't being controlled the way your home really needs. And in Florida's summer downpours, that can snowball into serious damage. When gutters are installed correctly, you hardly think about them. Water moves off the roof, into the troughs, down the downspouts, and away from your foundation. But if they're undersized, poorly sloped, or loosely fastened, you'll see overflowing edges, washed out landscaping, and puddles right next to your house. Good gutter installation starts with sizing. A steep or wide roof sheds a lot of water fast, and small gutters just can't keep up. Then there's the slope. Gutters should look almost level from the ground, but they need a gentle pitch toward each downspout so water doesn't sit and cause sagging or rust. Solid fastening is just as important. Cheap spikes and widely spaced hangers tend to pull loose in heavy Florida rain, which leads to sagging gutter repair and even rotted fascia. And if downspouts are too small, too few, or aimed the wrong way, you'll still end up with erosion and foundation stress. That's why working with a roofing-focused company like Sentinel Roofing matters. We understand how your roof and gutters should work together and design systems that actually fit Florida weather. If you're concerned about the gutters on your Marion County, Florida home, it's time to talk with a pro. Contact Sentinel Roofing for a free estimate today. We'll install a properly designed gutter system so you don't have to worry about it every time it rains.